Alright, recording the sewer line here today at 1601 2nd Ave West. The date is April 19th, 2021. I'm making this recording from the clean out in the basement of the home. I'm out as far as I'm able to push the camera. There's a large offset in the pipe. I've located this approximately 11 feet deep in the street. And you'll see there's a pretty big lip. This pipe is sunk. One section, this pipe was put together in about 2 foot sections, and each section has a seam where one connects to the next. And at this seam, the pipe has sagged and fallen down to the point where, as you can see, it's just created a big lip here. And a lot of this sewage that running through this house isn't even making it down into the sewer. It's kind of leaking out under the ground where these pipes have become separated. You can actually see a gap in the pipe there on the bottom left corner of the screen. That's going directly into the dirt. So we're going to come back from here. I'm going to zero out our footage here if it wants to work with me today. There we go. We're going to come back from there. We're in 6-inch diameter clay pipe. Again, we were out under the road there. So here's kind of an idea of what a good seam would look like if it wasn't offset and shifted. So they're butted up right against each other. That male and female piece are still tight together and haven't shifted over time. Some root intrusion in that section. And some more roots coming through. And quite a bit of root intrusion through some sections of this 4-inch diameter pipeline on property. There is a 90-degree turn there. This should be right outside the house. Be my guess. We're coming back into cast iron there. So this pipe is what runs through the basement foundation of the home. I'm going to run out and locate this spot exactly once we jump out of the house where we got pretty bad root intrusion here. We'll get a locate on this spot as well. I'm going to pause the video. Alright, we're continuing the recording here. Just going to show this last little piece that runs underneath the basement flooring of the home. This is the cast iron material pipe. A little blurry, but this looks to be in pretty good condition on the way out there. I'm not super worried about the cast.